I don't want to come here, man, because you want to see chicken. Since yes, yeah, yes. What's up, YouTube? Yo, WW Family Worldwide, what go on? We're there now, seeing? And we're there up on the farm in the day. I guess what going on now? We are doing some processing in chest fatty. We are processing some chicken, you see me? In the day, you know, for sure out. Because here, you know, we want to get the next project on the road too. You understand? So, I sat there normally, me da beat them out, but me I just go on, me I beat out what I can do today. You understand? And then tomorrow we beat out the rest because you know it more now. So we now can do everything one day. Because I don't have no pick on them things, you see me? So I'm going to process off even say 1, 10, 15 today and go and push them off same way. And then now, tomorrow now, I process out the rest now. And when the little funding they come in now, we can stop at the coop now with our next 100. And we can buy up my feed now for the whole time out of the money there. And then what left back now, I'm going to buy up some material. You see me? When I'm linking them, WW Family British. From in England, British in England. Big up thyself, you see me? Yeah, man. British are sending something towards it next week too. You see me? So we can buy up some more material. So most likely the thing is on the way. You know Miss Ilian, she always there. So you don't have to ask a question. So after I'm done dealing with that now, what left back now? You can buy up some material. I still have to leave back something in my pocket for help my balance too. You understand? And do the thing same way. And then now we're British sending now. But just use the whole of that for material. You see me? And you know Miss Ilian always there for back me up. Said speed, so nobody watch your face. You understand? Yeah, man. The thing I go through, man. I just want to tell him the thanks all the while. Seeing? And we always want to tell God thanks too. Because he was just in time, right there in time to rescue me. You see me? From arms of the devil. You understand? And the plans of the wicked. So I say, he was there just in time to rescue me. He was there just in time to rescue me. My God, I was lost in a world of sin, but my Jesus, he was right there to take me in. He was there just in time to rescue me. Yeah, man, so we'll get the project on the road. After we get the project up on the road now, put in some chicken in there and thing. The next project I'm going to work on now is a project what I call self. I work on self. So I'm going to fix up my smile, you see me? Fix up my smile and thing and do the thing, you see me? So the next project, after I'm done with the big cub and stack it up, we're going to deal with self. You understand? Fix up back with self and thing, you understand? Fix up with smile and them things. So when I smile, when I see how something goes like, you understand? You don't know, you know. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, you know. Give the support, man. You understand? Because remember greatness, and I want to subscribe to the thing. I want to subscribe to greatness. I want to know support and I support greatness. That means I want to great. Right? So you don't know, you know. WW Family. Yo, British. Big up, you know, my brother. One love, yeah. Yes, man. You can catch like that now. Come on. No. Come on. No fighting. Calm. Let's take it calm. No hustling, no fighting, or nothing like that. You know, we can't show the part just still, guys. You understand? So we have blur it out. But when you do, you try to make sure you catch the side. You see the side I'm making, so you have a vein. You have a vein on the side I'm making, so we are it time brain vein. You understand? So when you cut them, don't cut them so. Don't cut them round under them neck or the back. Right at the side, yes, sir. So as you slit it, you cut the main vein. After you cut the main vein, them now go feel no pain. Because you dislocate the brain from them body, so it now function again. So they now feel no pain. You understand? Because on a slaughter, we are slaughter. See? Sacrifice, we are sacrifice. Chicken, life, the chicken to food. You understand? So we can eat and be nervous. You understand? So, forgive me, Lord. You understand? Just like that. Yeah, man.
Cause that's what it takes.
Beautiful, right? Alright, so the texture when I talk about, you see the texture I'm look from leg. You see him skin thin, watch it. You see him skin thin skin. You understand? So we are do them. See me? We are be the next chicken farm in Jamaica. So you got Best Dress CD and you got GC. You understand? Gardens chicken. You understand? So check it out. Yeah. See me? We soon line up next week, coming up. We are getting people strength, you know me? We have a little virgin, you know, from British. I'll give you a strength towards the coup. And what we are make from them, yeah, we are put it towards the coup. And get the coop up on live, you understand? So I get the next coop up on live now. I can't push more chicken now. Then I can't take time and fix up self. Can't take time and buy it because I take off the whole for fat and thing now and tone up. So you find out some clothes them nah fit me tight again, so I have to buy like some medium now. So extra large me I come from another that are pure all healthiness, you understand? So right now I'm fit and strong and healthy. Yeah. So I do some clothes now, but I deal with them, yeah. Then afterward now, I can look on my wardrobe, you know, and I smile. And I go gliss up my smile upon them, and I smile them say, stop bling. You understand? Yeah. Nice up, see? So I'm saying there, guys, anybody want chicken, you can link me up. The number is, I don't remember my number out of my head, but look, you see it on the screen. See it right here, sir, man. See it right here, sir. The number is, just call the number here. And you will get me. And you order your chicken, you tell me your location once you're in Kingston, you understand? Or you can come pick up at the closest point where we can meet. You understand? So, show up, my man. We work out something. You understand? Because we want get the thing to a level where we have the market where every week we can process out at least even say 200 chicken. We must can better ourselves and better lives, you understand? And help somebody else in the background. So it go. But when you do things in life, you can't do it for yourself, you know. You have to do it for others too. So you want to put yourself on a certain level in life so you can be the help to somebody else, you know what I mean? So these are the ice water now. These are the ice cold water where you put them in afterward now. You understand? After you guts them, you wash them and them go in the ice cold water. Like this. Understand? Nice. Make so much I want to wear. £5 in the eye we are talking about, guys. What we are talking about? £5 in the eye. So now you have 100 of them and you get paid £5. The least weight you get out of them are £5. You see me? I always have about £500 of meat that, man. See me, and then what I go do now, I do get the two side do my label and then print it on the crack and peel. So the bag them now, before I put the chicken right now, you have paste on the label. You take tear it off and paste on the label. You understand? And then after now, you come so now and put in your chicken now. In line. You see me? Gardens Chicken Farm.
Finger licking.
Chicken Gardens. Yeah, Garden Chicken is the bestest chicken, the safest chicken. No ammonia. You understand? So you don't know, guys. This is it. Gardens. You see me? Check it out. Mama, you forgot them neck deeper, yeah? You left too much on him neck, so it bore the bag.
Honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's That's what makes a personality is tragedy, bro.
Oh, you mean when them say Chicken Ricky in the building, right? You give them something out of Chicken Ricky. Make them know the Gordon's chicken is the best tasting chicken.
We ain't got nothing to hide. We move forward like soldiers. You better wake up.
Right now around town.
Don't pay up, don't make love to the game, bro. Fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff till you're great up. Blame us for the way up. Play the game, bro. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety. We make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't ever say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
£2 more. I'm gonna just go for one more 5 4. I'm gonna take out 5 pound on them. So we have some people that want one. We have 5 pound, you understand? So they may know like 4.5 on them. You understand? So they run out them one now in the like how somebody don't want. A certain amount of pound away that for
Do I gotta have it? I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta
nice,
grab it. Views like this, moves won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
right here! Right here!
Gonna look back.
Go for one more chicken for them.
I was built to last.
Go for one more chicken.
When I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Okay. What is that one side? Pick one of them.
All my family, me I tell you where me I move so fast. Me load all the igloo and move out, me there remember. You understand? But the greatest thing, never too late for a shower rain. Me still remember. I mean I carry you guys along. Right? So we're gonna deliver off them chicken you know. You understand? So it will be on the journey. See? So trod on.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible.
Your family, that's it, so. Alright, we deliver that out now, so. We are cut out now and go down. And cut up the rest now. See? Because how it go now? One to get 10 and one to get 5. So I have 15 more pounds to go deliver now when I go down. And then now we have a next lady to get 15, but I don't think 15 I go leave back. So what I go do? If anything, we just put on a small pot with some water. And we just murder, we just mash up two of them same time. You understand? And make up fair one. And make sure you can get fair 15 tomorrow. So I have 2 15 and 1 5, right? So I'm gonna make the 1 15 go tonight. One person will get 10, one person will get 5. One person for 10, one person for 5, get a 15, yeah. And then tomorrow now, we can drop off the next 15. And after rush and drop out the next 15 wanted tonight, today. We cut it up and season it up and put it in the fridge. So I go carry for them one, go get them now. I go down and then we can carry across for them one and go drop off again. You understand? Or you guys want to come? Tag along, no nothing wrong. Because we not do it together. We in this thing together, you know, so we not have nothing to hide down. Because we in it together, right? Yeah man, so come in. Yeah, family, we done do some delivery now, but you know, some meat for go down go cut up some chicken. But you can't get it late night, because near me, you understand? I go for the barber, say I get a free lineup, because I can't get lineup free, so I get one. You understand? But I have to pay for the trim. But I will get the lineup, because that's my beard, I want him shave off and just kind of freshen up at the lining. You understand? Yeah. I not trim, so I link my barber, because I want to stay fresh. You understand? Because right now, time now, for us look good, you understand? Yeah, man. So, anything them a plan, anything the devil a plan, gotta wipe that out, yeah? Hi guys, what's up, what's poppin'? Daddy Wayne in the building. Yo,